Is it the right time to make a move on Nvidia stock? Welcome back to our in-depth analysis of Nvidia. We first shared our report on our website on Monday, December 18, 2023. Today, we'll be taking an even closer look at this company and its potential. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest insights. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Elevate your trading decisions with our brand new AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Experience the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 7, 2023, our system has identified Nvidia as a buy candidate with a score of 4.21. Now let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 7.47%. This means it has delivered an average return of 0.93% per day since being listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend, indicating potential for further growth. Over the next 3 months, the stock may see a potential change of 14.14%, with a return ranging from 0.369% to 19.36%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the stock is projected to undergo a significant change of 203.71%, with a potential return ranging from 175.99% to 225.28%. This would result in a price range of $1,382.06 to $1,628.92 after 1 year. Our latest update for Nvidia brings an important headline: Nvidia stock downgraded to buy candidate. Let's dive into the details. On the last trading day, Monday, December 18, 2023, the Nvidia stock price experienced a 2.43% gain, rising from $488.90 to $500.77. This marks its 5th consecutive day of gains. Now, the question arises, will it continue to rise or take a minor break in the coming days? During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $491.56 and a high of $504.33, encompassing a 2.6% range. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by an impressive 10.04%, with gains in 8 out of the last 10 days. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 7 million shares, while a total of 41 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $20.46 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume, combined with higher prices, can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Now, let's take a look at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks. The highest price reached $505.48, while the lowest price was $138.84. At present, the stock is trading at 0.93% below its 52-week high, amounting to $4.71. It's important to mention that this high price also represents the all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings. Let's take a look at some recent analyst ratings for Nvidia. On Monday, December 11, 2023, Cowen & Company gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, BMO Capital gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. BMO Capital also gave Nvidia an outperform grade with a hold action on the same day. Wells Fargo joined in on Wednesday, November 22, 2023, giving Nvidia an overweight grade with a hold action. KeyBank also rated Nvidia as outperform with a hold action on the same day. Analysts have given Nvidia stock a strong buy rating overall. Specifically, they rate the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Today, let's take a look at the signals for Nvidia stock. The stock market has shown some mixed signals recently. On Monday, November 20, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, which has resulted in a minus 0.659% decrease so far. This indicates a potential further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, it's important to note that the Nvidia stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which gives a positive forecast for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general buy signal when looking at the relationship between the two signals, with the short-term average being above the long-term average. In terms of support levels, if corrections in the stock occur, there will be some support at $481.71 and $470.92. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. It's worth mentioning that despite gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could potentially be an early warning sign and should be closely monitored. So, to summarize, the signals for Nvidia stock are mixed, with a sell signal from the pivot top point and the 3-month MACD. However, the stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Support levels can be found at $481.71 and $470.92, but a breakdown below these levels would issue sell signals. Lastly, the divergence between volume and price should be watched closely as it may indicate a shift in the stock's performance. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is showing a sell signal. The pivots indicator indicated a sell signal 20 days ago. The Bollinger indicator showed a buy signal 26 days ago. The short-term moving average displayed a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 30 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average displayed a buy signal 32 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 22 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to explore more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia stock. Nvidia currently has support from accumulated volume at $487.16. This level may present a buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is being tested. It's worth noting that this stock has average movements during the day. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the stock moved $12.77 between its high and low, which represents a 2.6% fluctuation. Over the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.7%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's begin by discussing some important fundamental data. First and foremost, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is a vital measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high P/E ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. Moving on to other updates, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $3.76. Remember to keep a close watch on these figures, as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia stands at $504.09. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. However, for those who already own the stock, this could present a potential level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $487.16. If this level of support holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, as you anticipate a rebound in the stock's value. According to multiple analyst sources, Nvidia has a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider activity involves Teeter Timothy S., who bought and sold a total of 28,835 shares or options in the company. Our analysis of the 100 most recent insider trades shows a negative insider power with a ratio of -47.059. Overall, insiders have purchased 224,595 shares and sold 594,575 shares in the last 100 trades. Today, we have an important update on this particular stock. We recommend setting your stop loss at $484.18, which represents a decrease of 3.31%. It's important to note that this stock exhibits medium daily movements, which corresponds to a medium level of risk. Furthermore, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected 19 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive signals indicating a good trend for Nvidia stock. We believe there is a buying opportunity at the current level, with a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. However, it's important to note that we have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Tuesday, December 19th, we anticipate Nvidia to open down -$1.88 and start trading at $498.89. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock and hear your thoughts. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and let us know. We're also curious about your target for the stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest trading insights. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.